Westside High School is led by teachers making a real impact, like Miss Ralen Tupaz. Last year, she wasn't just named Teacher of the Year, she was also recognized as the West Division Special Education Teacher of the Year.
How long have you been teaching here?
Also, this is my 4th year teaching life skills in Westside High School.
Life skills. So what is a life skills class?
So we teach like different subjects, like, we have functional academics, we teach daily living, we teach employability, we teach so much in this because we really want to prepare our life school students for life after high school.
Westside also prides itself on collaboration, and that shows across campus. Some of Miss Tupaz's students aren't just learning in her classroom, they're also finding confidence and expression in dance. This dance class is led by Miss Jena Emert, who also leads the nationally recognized Pride Dance Team.
Talk to me about the Pride Dance Team. What makes them such a special team?
I think it's their commitment, it's their hard work, it's the team culture that we have really cultivated over the years. I think that is what determines how we perform for the end of our season. We're 3-time overall national champions and overall state champions, so we have very high expectations and a high legacy to live up to.
I love the work ethic. It's really like work hard, play hard, because we do like to have fun, but we also know when to lock in and get stuff done. We're never lazy, we're always pushing and going 110% every day.
At Westside High School, students are supported, celebrated, and made to feel like they belong.
Welcome to Westside!